Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Very good. Students, let's start our today's session. Today we will talk about all about names. Students, in this chapter, firstly we will read the alphabet with the phonetic sound. Okay? Let us read the alphabets like A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, W, 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 X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Students, now we will speak a rhyme. Okay? Come, little children, come to me. Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Okay, students? Students, let's do an activity. Now I will write the letters, read the letter and speak. Okay? Students, C. Which letter is this? D. 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 Capital or small? Capital. Okay? It's capital. Now C. What is this? F. Speak with proper pronunciation. F. F. This is small f. Right? Okay. C. What is this? H. 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 Small h. Now C. B. B. Capital B. Okay. Speak. What is this? B. 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 Capital or small? Small. Small. Right. Now C. What is this? C. C. K. Capital or small? Capital. capital. Wow. Okay. Now see, what is this? T. 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 Okay. Capital or small? Capital. Okay, good. Students, read the words ant and bug, bug, cat, cat, dog, dog, egg, egg, fox, fox, gal, girl, hen, hen, ice, ice, jam, jam, kid, kid, leg, leg, mom, mom, net, net, owl, owl, pig, pig. Okay, students, read the words and match. Hat, hat, match with hat. Bat, match with bat. Here bat is a bird. Cat, cat is an animal. Cab, cab is means of transport. Fan. Okay. Students, let's do an activity. Name me. Right? Now I will show you one thing and you will write the name of thing. Students, what is this? Pen. Pen. Write spelling P E N, pen. Okay? What is this? What is this? Ball. Ball. The color of ball is orange. Yes, orange. The shape of ball is circular. Circular. Write the spelling of ball. Now tell me spelling of ball. B A, yes, L, ball. Good. Students, what is this? This is a book. Book. Good. Speak spelling of book. Spelling of book. B O K. Book. Yes. Now read the spellings. Pen, pen, ball, ball, book, book. Students, now you can write your name, your brother name, sister's name. Okay? You can write the name of any toy, anything. Okay? Good. You can write your name. Like your name is Anu. Write A-N-U, Anu. Okay? Good. Students, after doing this, play with your friends, with your siblings. Play inside. Do not go outside. Okay? And talk about the things you have learned in this session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.